The if function allows you to make logical comparisons between two values, and if the condition is true, it will return a value, otherwise it will return another value if it's false. Let's jump straight into an example to make this easier to understand. We have a table of student results and the name, subject and grade have already been populated. Let's say I want to add a few extra columns like past grade, past, short by, and eligible for reset. For the past grade, if the subject is maths, then we want to display the number 60. Otherwise, we want to display 50. So to do this, we do equals if select subject column equal to maths in quotes since it's text, and the condition if it's true is 60. Otherwise, condition if it's false is 50. There you go. I'm going to apply this for all the rows as well. And now for past, if the grade is greater than or equal to the past grade, then we want to display the text yes, otherwise no. So we do equals, and if the grade is greater than or equal to the past grade, then we want to display the text yes, otherwise the text no. Apply this for all the rows as well. And short by. If past is no, then the past grade minus the grade. Otherwise, we'll display the text NA equals if past is equal to the text no, then we're going to do a calculation which is the past grade minus the grade. Otherwise, we'll display text N/A. And for eligible to reset. If short by is less than or equal to 5 and the subject is maths, then we're going to display text yes, otherwise we'll display no. Since this has two conditions that need to be true, we can use the AND function. And to do this, we do equals if and short by is less than or equal to 5, comma, so we add the second condition as well. Subject is equal to maths, close brackets, and we're going to go to the true section. If both conditions have been met, then we want to display the text yes, otherwise we'll display text no. And we're going to apply it for all the other rows. And there you go. And that's how you can use the if function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.